봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say.
I'm Aiza and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ayan, we're gonna cook a chicken with shrimp inside, and I already prepped this garlic, and now I'm chopping some white onions. You can use whatever you want, like red, yellow. This we're gonna use this as a marinade. Okay, it's a lot. And then I'm gonna use also some ginger. So our ingredients are, we have the shrimp, we have this whole chicken, it's cleaned already, and I have some ginger, onion, it's garlic, onion, and we will also have salt and pepper, and I also have this Maggi seasoning, or you can use soy sauce. I have a Sprite. You can use 7-Up, you can use Coke, Pepsi, whatever you want. And I have this, this is an optional ingredient only. This is Maggi Magic Sarap. We have this in the Philippines, and I think we have here in the USA. You can find it on Asian store. So what we're gonna do today is, we're gonna just marinate first our chicken, and before we do everything, make sure our hands are clean. Okay? This is good. And I will put this shrimp. Good. Then I will put the Sprite first. You can just use one can, but I just wanted to use two so that it will cover up. I'm sorry for my voice, I'm really not ready. This is just only morning. And then some seasoning. Maybe about like 1/4 cup of that. Then we're gonna put our ginger, our garlic, or you can use garlic powder too. And then we have this onion, salt and pepper. About like 1 teaspoon each, or it depends on your taste preference. Okay. If you want some garlic powder but don't overdo it, just to have. And then we'll put this magic syrup. Okay. So I'll marinate it for 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then we're gonna be back. Didn't able to show you the stuff that I made because I'm kind of having a confusion if I'm gonna air fry it or I'm gonna fry it in oil. But I decided to just bake it in the oven, and then I just boil this all or pressure cook for like 6 minutes just to pre-cook it. And now I have this melted butter. I'll just put a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt, and I will put also like a little bit of seasoning. Okay, and I transfer it with the baking pan, and I put some trivet here. So what I'm gonna do is just mix this. I'll just put it on the top, make it a little bit crispier. I don't have the recipe here, like I'm just like wanting to have some shrimp and chicken, and then I found one but it's not the way that I wanted, so I just created my own, but I don't know if someone did it already. So I will just bake this at 350 for like 1.5 hours or until it's done, and I'm gonna show you guys later.
Melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You are just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고